Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, which is Young's Garden, and today we will do a taste testing rare fruits, which is strawberry tree and also yellow sapote. And here I found some strawberry tree fruit in the parking lot where I work. I know it's so rare to have it just laying around, but somehow they use these branches, fruit trees, as hedges. So when I saw it, I was just in shock, but I just thought, hey, maybe if I picked it and try it, and if it doesn't kill me, it's probably strawberry tree. And here it is, folks. And just a disclaimer, please do not try this at home or just pick any random fruits and try it. It can be poisonous. But I have seen this around at nursery, more specifically Upland Nursery near my area. And how they describe it online is just like how it tasted. They said it's kind of rough and pointy outside, not too hard. It's still soft outside. The inside is also soft and a little bit juicy and kind of nutty and not like an orange, juicy, a little bit bland, but sweet and sour. So I thought this is such a pretty fruit and fun to pick. Hopefully no one saw me picking it, because that'll be so embarrassing, because it is my new place, place that I just start working here, and I was just in shock just to see this and trying it the first time. I was pretty excited. So the inside is pretty good. I give it like a 7 or 6. It's kind of like the texture inside, kind of like tomato, like when you cook it, after you cook it, it's kind of like that. It has seeds inside, black seeds, but you can't really taste that. You can basically eat everything, and it's pretty sweet. You can taste the aftertaste of like a tarty aftertaste, a little tart, just a tiny slight bit. Some can be bland if it's not ripened or soft, but I found it really delicious. I kind of got bored after like 5-6 fruits, but the first few fruits, like 1 or 2 first few fruits, was delicious, and this is quite interesting fruit, I have to say. And here is my second fruit. This is yellow sapote egg fruit, sapote and sapadilla. Awitsima, we call that in Vietnamese. And I got this in my backyard. It fell and I left it on the table, let it ripe for a few days, and now it's really soft. I can just crack it open, and this is actually more like a sweet potato texture, like, you know, the after you cook the sweet potato, the texture is kind of like this, but of course the fragrant, the smell is just out of this world. It smells so good, and just very tropical. Here I'm letting my son try it for the first time. We had some of this in Hawaii and it was really good too. Yeah, it's very meaty. The shape of it is kind of oval, and it has a little tail sticking out. It has a big seed in the middle. I believe this is bruised sapote, and the seed is a good size. It's nice and creamy inside. And if you ever had this without eating breakfast, if you eat this first, you might feel a little drunk, a little dizziness. That's because it has that side effects. I got that twice in Vietnam and in Hawaii, and my dad was just laughing at me because that's what it does. If you don't have anything in your stomach and you eat this, it does that to many people. I'm not sure if you had that reaction before, but eat it without food and it will do that to you. It's like kind of like medicine kind of deal, that side effects. But other than that, this is very, very good. I highly recommend it. It smells so good. Very creamy. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video, all the rare fruit trees or fruits that I shared. Subscribe. Bye.